Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn X sign. This is July monthly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on, Capricorn. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. What are the messages for Capricorn and what's going on? Maybe right now you are going through some transformation. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Virgo. Yes, the same card came again. The Fool, Knight of Cups, Knight of Wands and Ten of Wands. I'm saying two persons coming towards you. One could be new and one could be past person. You have options, Capricorn. And one person is very serious about you, but one person is very passionate towards you, but there is no commitment. Yes, one person is serious, but one person is in and out of your life. For some, it could be only one person coming towards you, but you are living in the present moment, going with the flow. But someone from past want new beginnings with you. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Star, Eight of Cups and the Hermit. For some, you decided to walk away from this connection. For some, you did it. And you're going through some transformation in recent past. You isolated from all and thinking everything in detail. And there is some positive shift is coming. For some, the shift is already came. For some, it will. And the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius, especially Virgo. Then present Queen of Pentacles, King of Wands and Ace of Cups. I think in relationship wise, I think there is no equal give and take. Maybe there are some issues between you and your person. That's why in present, your total focus is on yourself, especially on your money, career. You are concentrating on your career and taking your control back, and you are doing self-love. You are giving priority to yourself, Capricorn. Yes. After transformation, there is a major change in your behavior. Maybe you want to let go of this person. Then future, Knight of Pentacles, Nine of Swords and Six of Swords. So there is someone is coming, but they are in slow moving energy. Sometimes something is triggering you because Nine of Swords energy. You are getting thoughts regarding your person, maybe regarding someone or something. Sometimes you trigger by your thoughts and you're feeling depressed. Six of Swords, but you don't want this energy. You want to move on from this energy. You want to release. You want to let go of this person or this relationship. Yeah, there are some issues in this relationship, but I am seeing options. I think past person may be coming back to you, but a brand new person is also coming. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Aquarius or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we'll get more clarity. Eight of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, Four of Cups. I think your person feeling lonely, your person feeling alone. They're missing you, but they're not expressing. Yes, Queen of Swords. They are not expressing. They are not showing their emotions to you. They know how to control their emotions. And Eight of Pentacles. Yes. So your person want to work on this relationship. At the same time, they are in very slow moving. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Capricorn. Thoughts are jumping. Knight of Pentacles, Ten of Swords, Wheel of Fortune, change. Maybe your person and Two of Pentacles with Three of Pentacles. Right now your person is juggling. Maybe they are juggling between you and their career. Maybe they are juggling between head over their heart. They are juggling. Maybe they have to make some decision, but they are unable to make right now. And Three of Pentacles, but they are thinking about collaboration with you, partnership with you. And Knight of Pentacles. So 2 times, yes. This time they're very serious about you. They want rebirth in this connection. Maybe your person is waiting for divine timing, and there is some change is coming in your relationship. So let's see. Let's see their intentions. Capricorn. Page of Pentacles. Children's also involved in this connection. King of Cups. Wow. Two of Wands. I think for some, if your person have options, they're juggling, but they're going to be choose you if they have options. And Six of Wands with the World. Yes, they want success in this connection. They want marriage with you. So Page of Pentacles, there is communication is coming. Love offer is coming, because King of Cups, they want to offer their cup of love to you. If you are in separation, they are thinking about you a lot and they want to marry you. Yes, they want to take this relationship to next level. Yes, Six of Pentacles. I think in past there is no equal give and take, but now your person thinking about equal give and take. There is love offer is coming. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Queen of Wands. Yeah, they're going to make action very soon with Two of Cups. This love is mutual. They do love you and you also do love them. Definitely this love is mutual and soulmate connection. And the Moon and the person involved in this connection could be Pisces and Knight of Swords. They're rushing to communicate with you, but there are some issues between you and your person. Maybe one person hiding something from the other person. Queen of Swords, King of Swords, sorry. I think you are taking your control back and you are very clear what you want and what you don't want, Capricorn, this time. You are going with the flow, living in the present moment. You are enjoying every moment. Now maybe Knight of Cups, but someone, I think I am seeing options in love. Definitely there are 2 persons coming, lots of you, options. Wow, but you are enjoying every moment. Now you are emotionally very, very free. Means you are no more dependent emotionally on anyone. Six of Wands, mutual energies, and Page of Wands. Yeah, for some you both have age differences between you and your person, and Seven of Cups and Six of Wands. I think there is love between you and your person. At the same time there is some confusion. I think you both are in some confusion, but there will be success. And your person thinking about you a lot and they are going to be choose you, but you are taking your control back and you are doing your work. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Capricorn. Lot of fire energy. The person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Marriage. Yes, they want to marry you. Past person return. For some marriage involved in this connection. You are pure perfection. New love is coming. Yes. Strong sign that new player. And communication is coming. So the messages are communication is coming, marriage, past person return, player, you are pure perfection, new love is coming. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. Capricorn. Believe in the impossible, Blue Moon. So if you want to achieve anything, first you have to believe. That is the message. Believe in the impossible. And look at the bigger picture. So different cards but same message. Full moon in Sagittarius. Sagittarius energy. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.